this is where we are starting our journey towards West Thames College.
And listen as much as listen. Suppose you meet me somewhere and you find me that I am so charming.
Just name the year that you're studying on, and why did you decide to study the course? And if you were to invite a famous person, dead or alive,
Hello everyone, greetings from London. This is Sejal Gupta from Asian Law College, Noida. The day one at the West Thames College started with the orientation lecture which was taken by Radanks Ltd, the CEO of Radanks.
We began our day with interactive sessions of explaining our personalities to our trainers present there. Furthermore, we dig into the factors which creates the need for mediation in the society. Later on, we ended our day with opening statements and role-playing them.